Okay, so today we learned a bit about systems of equations and their break-even point. So we're going to do a little practice with this skill. So you're going to go on your computers to www.ixl.com/sign-in. As we talked in class, you should have an email with a username and password. So you're going to put in that username and password right here. So I'm going to put in my username that I got in my email along with my password. And then here you're going to get your skills. So we want to go down to algebra skills here, and you're going to see all skills. Then you're going to go down to U1 under systems of linear equations, which is what we talked about today, is XY a solution to the systems of equations. So you're going to perform these tasks. So this is my first one. And it says, is 310 a solution to the systems of equations? Well, it's asking if 310 is its break-even point. So I know if it's break-even point, if this x, 3 is x, oops, that's like y, and 10, which is my y, will work both for these equations. So I'm going to plug 10 in for my y here, and plug in 3 for the x, and then continue the rest of the equation. So does 10 equal 3 plus 7? Yes, 10 equals 10. So I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to plug 10 in for my y, and then I'm going to plug, I have 2, and this is times x, so I'm going to put 3 in here for my x, plus 4. So this becomes, does 10 equal 2 times 3 plus 4? Well, I know 2 times 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, so this also, 10 equals 10, 10 equals 10. So when 3 is for x and 10 is for y, it works for both these equations. So that is a solution. So I am going to click on my yes and submit. Tells me a great job. And so I'm going to do the same thing again. This is my x and this is my y. So I'm going to label these and I'm going to plug them in. For this one, it's 4. My x is 1, so I plug in 1 here, plus 2, and 6 is my y, and that's going to equal 16. So I have to see, is that true? So this becomes 4, and 2 times 6 becomes 12. So it's 4 plus 12, 16. And that's true. So now I'm trying again down here. I'm going to use this equation. So I'm going to plug 1 in for my x and 6 in for my y. So I plug 1 and I do plus 3 times 6 equals 19. So 3 times 6 is 18, is 18 plus 1, 19, and that is also true. So that works for that equation as well. So again, I'm going to hit yes. That's right. So this is 1 and 9. So I'm going to plug in 1 here. So I know that 2 times 1 is 2. I'm going to plug in 9 here. 9 times 2 is 18. So is 2 plus 18, 20? Yes. I'm going to try it again down here. I'm going to plug in 1 here. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus, I plug in 9 here. Is 9 plus 7, 16. Yes. So that works as well. Same thing here. Plug in 1 here. That's 9 plus 1. That would give me 10. And then again here, 1 plus 9 equals 10. So again, that's true. 10 and 10. So obviously this one's not going to work, because if I plug in 10 here, that gives me 60. No matter what I do here, it's not going to equal 20. And if I plug 10 in for x and 10 in for y, 10 plus 10 is 20. That does not equal 9. So this one's going to be a no. So you want to keep going through that till it says problems attempted. I want you to attempt 15 problems tonight. And it records your score for you, so tomorrow I can just go to the reports and see how you did. And that's what I want you to complete tonight for practice. Hopefully you understand that, and we'll see you in the morning.